What if I told you that AI built my digital product, and people actually wanted to buy it? No joke. Real sales from real people who paid real money. And the craziest part? I didn't hire a team of tech wizards, I didn't spend weeks coding, and I definitely didn't empty my bank account to make it happen. In this episode of the AI CEO series, I'm breaking down exactly how ChatGPT helped me go from zero to product launch in just a few days. We're talking step-by-step strategies, real-life examples, and actionable tips that you can use to launch your own digital product, starting today. Let's do this. I had this burning question: how can I use AI to help people make money online? So I went straight to the source. ChatGPT. I typed in the prompt, act like a successful digital product creator. What should I sell if I want to help people make money online with AI? And boom! ChatGPT hit me with 3 solid product ideas. An ebook called 10 AI Tools That Help You Earn on Autopilot, a digital planner for content creators, and a ChatGPT prompt pack for entrepreneurs. The prompt pack idea sparked something in my brain. It was fast to create, insanely useful, and the demand for AI solutions was exploding. People were hungry for these prompts, and I knew I could deliver. It was a no-brainer. With my product idea locked in, it was time to build this thing. And you know who my secret weapon was? ChatGPT. I gave it the command. Write 20 powerful ChatGPT prompts for digital entrepreneurs to create marketing content, automate tasks, and launch products. ChatGPT delivered a gold mine of prompts that covered everything from killer headline formulas to email sequence templates, content creation hacks, and even sales page generation. I simply copy-pasted ChatGPT's brilliance into Canva, my trusty design sidekick. A little bit of formatting magic, some font finesse, and boom, I had a professional-looking downloadable PDF ready to go in under 2 hours. ChatGPT took 80% of the work off my plate. It was like having a team of expert copywriters, marketers, and developers at my beck and call 24/7. And the best part? It cost me absolutely nothing. I had a killer product, but it needed a name, a vibe, a personality. I wanted something catchy, memorable, and screamed AI power. So I asked ChatGPT to help me brainstorm a name, write a short and snappy description, and come up with a tagline. ChatGPT came up with the perfect name, AI Hustle Prompt Pack. And the tagline? Start, market, and grow your brand using the power of prompts. With the name, tagline, and description locked and loaded, it was time to give my product a visual identity that screamed, "Buy me." Canva came to the rescue once again. I used it to create a sleek and eye-catching cover image that would make my product stand out in a sea of digital downloads. I also whipped up some mock-ups to show off how awesome the prompt pack would look on laptops, tablets, you name it. Sales page setup from zero to launch ready in 30 minutes. Now, it was time to build a website, right? Wrong. I didn't need to spend weeks learning how to code or shell out hundreds of dollars on a fancy website builder. Instead, I used Systemi.io, a free sales funnel tool that's perfect for launching digital products. I even used ChatGPT to write the copy for my sales page. I gave it a few bullet points and it crafted a compelling narrative that highlighted the benefits of the product, created a sense of urgency, and made people want to click that Buy Now button. I plugged ChatGPT's masterpiece into Systemi.io, and voila! I had a professional-looking sales page ready to go. The layout was clean, simple, and designed to convert. And of course, no sales page is complete without a clear call to action. I added a big bold button that said, "Download now for $9, an irresistible offer for anyone who wants to unlock the power of AI without breaking the bank." Payment integration and hosting my $0 launch strategy. Now it was time to talk about the money. But don't worry, I didn't need to hire a finance team or spend hours on complicated integrations. ChatGPT recommended Stripe, a user-friendly payment processor that's perfect for online businesses. I connected my Stripe account to my System.io sales page in a few clicks, and just like that, I was ready to accept payments. The best part? System.io hosted the product for me so customers got instant access after their purchase. It was seamless, automated, and incredibly easy to set up. Thanks to the power of AI and some clever free resources, I was able to bring my product to life without breaking the bank. Launch plan. Designed by AI, my 7-day roadmap to success. Okay, I had a product, a sales page, and a way to get paid. But how was I going to get people to actually buy it? Enter ChatGPT, my AI marketing guru. I asked it to create a launch plan to sell my product organically in just 7 days. No fancy ads, no expensive influencers, just pure strategic hustle. ChatGPT delivered a launch roadmap that was so good, it felt like I had hired a whole marketing team. Here's a sneak peek at the genius plan it crafted. Day 1, kick things off with a bang by posting a captivating reel or YouTube short showcasing the product idea and its benefits. Day 2, give people a taste of the magic by sharing one free prompt as a teaser. This is a great way to generate buzz, build excitement, and get people hooked. Day 3, take your audience behind the scenes and show them how you created the product using Canva. This not only provides valuable insights but also positions you as an expert. Day 4, it's time for the soft launch. Offer a special promo code to your followers and email subscribers to give them early access at a discounted price. Day 5, social proof is key. Share a genuine testimonial or positive feedback from someone who's already benefited from your product. Day 7, create a sense of urgency with a final 24-hour sale. Remind people that this is their last chance to grab the product at a discounted price. Results from the launch: 79 visitors, 13 downloads, $117 in 3 days. I followed ChatGPT's launch plan religiously, sharing engaging content, connecting with my audience, and highlighting the value of my product. And guess what? It worked! In just the first 3 days of my launch, I had 79 visitors to my sales page, 13 downloads of my AI Hustle Prompt Pack, and $117 in revenue. This was all organic reach. No paid ads, no influencer marketing, just the power of AI and a solid launch strategy. It proved that you don't need a massive following, a huge budget, or even any prior experience to launch a successful digital product. What I'd improve leveling up my AI game: the prompt pack itself. People loved the prompts, found them incredibly valuable, and were eager to share their results. The sales page. It was clean, concise, and designed to convert. But of course, there are always things I could have done better. I should have added a short video to my sales page. Videos are incredibly engaging and can significantly boost conversions. I could have collected emails before delivering the PDF. This would have allowed me to build an email list and nurture relationships with potential customers. Final thoughts. And CTA, your AI-powered journey starts now. If you're watching this and thinking, I could never do that, let me stop you right there. If I, a regular person with zero coding skills, can launch a digital product and make money online using AI, so can you. The truth is, there's no better time to start than now. You don't need fancy tools, a big team, or a ton of money. And to help you get started, I'm giving away my AI product launch blueprint for free. This blueprint outlines the exact steps I took to launch my product, from brainstorming ideas to creating a sales page and crafting a launch strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. AI can even help you build a YouTube channel. I'm talking titles, thumbnails, scripts, even YouTube shorts, all thanks to the power of AI. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because in the next video, I'm dropping all the secrets to building a YouTube empire with the help of AI. We're talking about the exact prompts I used, the strategies that work, and how you can use AI to take your channel to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you found it helpful, and get ready to unlock the incredible power of AI for your YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.